Hey everyone, my name is Ravi. In today's video, we will learn how to use sum function in Excel. We have a small data in column A, and let's say we want the sum of these cells to appear in column C. So just simply equal some formula, then select each cell one by one. But if you see here, this approach is a time-taking approach, selecting each cell manually one by one. So here we can use another approach which is a range approach, right? So equal to sum, then select the data range from A2 to A15 and then close bracket and press enter key, and you have the sum of these cells. Now here is another shortcut. Just place and or select the cell below your data. Press and hold the Alt key and then press the equal key. So here Excel will automatically select the range from A2 to A15 and just press the enter key and you have the sum of these cells. So basically, this shortcut saves time and makes your spreadsheet task more efficient. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching.